my god, you guys, I can see the. So guys, to make this blackhead remover, you'll be needed just one egg. Just one egg is enough, and then a toilet paper. So the first thing I did was to crack the egg in a bowl, and then I made sure to separate the egg white from the yolk because I'll be making use of just the egg white. After that, I'm just going to give it a little weeks, and this is going to make it more easier to apply it onto the skin. So guys, now that this is ready for use, I'll be applying this on a clean fresh face. So before I do that, I went ahead to wash my face. I don't have any makeup on my face. I just had to wash my face in case I have any dirt, oils, or any impurities on my face. So next, I'm taking a towel, then I'm putting that in, I'm soaking it in hot water and then squeeze it out, and I put that over my face. This is going to help open up my pores, so this way the marks can sink in deeper into my pores to get out all that gunk and blackheads stuck in the pores. So guys, to apply this marks, I used a clean makeup brush and I dipped that into the egg and then brush it over the areas where I tend to have black and white heads. Then I placed the tissue paper on top of it and I brushed on the egg on it again. I did about 3 layers of this. Then I had to cut off any excess tissue paper, of course, and then move on to the next area. So guys, after I finished covering my face with the tissue paper and the egg, I had to let it dry. I just had to be patient and let it dry off because I don't think this is going to work if it's not properly dried. So guys, right now I can't really talk much because my whole face is stiff, look, and it's dried. So I just had to do it here because I needed something that was really bright so you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm looking so weird. Okay, let me do this side. Oh my god, you guys, I can see the white heads. Okay, I will show you guys, but wait a minute. I can see the white heads, like I have so many. Let me show you guys. So guys, can you see that? I make use of my phone to film, but I still hope you can be able to see this. Look how huge that one is. I can say that this egg marks is like one of the most effective marks to get rid of your blackheads or your whiteheads instantly. Can you see that? I hope I'm giving you guys a clearer picture here. Can you see that? I think this area is my nose area. Look how plenty that is. Like, it is countless. Look at this area. It is so many. I don't even know I had this much whiteheads on my face. Look at here, look at that one. That is huge. Wow, this is really effective, guys. Look at that one. Okay, that is really huge. Look at that, guys. I'm trying as much as possible to show you guys. I film with my phone, so I hope this is clear enough. I can see this. I hope this is visible enough. This egg mask is really effective. It's I give it a 10 out of 10. It is effective, and yeah, that is just all I can say. Like, I am shocked. This is really effective right here. So back to getting the rest out of my head. I haven't finished my forehead, so this is the state of my face right now. And after that, I made use of cold water. This water is freezing, so the cold water is going to help me cover back any open pores that I have on my face. And then I made use of a paper towel to dry my face. Of course, I'm not going to leave my face like this, so I went in with a moisturizer, just applied that on my face. And after that, I made use of my vitamin C serum. I just had to restore back the shine and the moisture on my face because it was really looking really dry. Yes, guys, so this face mask was a 10 out of 10. I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave your comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.